The man convicted of killing a North Kansas City police officer will soon find out his fate. Joshua Rocha faces either life in prison or the death penalty. Last week, a jury found him guilty of first-degree murder in the death of Officer Daniel Vasquez. Back in July of 2022, Officer Vasquez pulled Rocha over for having expired temporary tags. That's when Rocha got out of his car and shot Officer Vasquez. KSHB 41 News reporter Lily O'Shea Becker was in court today as the jury heard testimony before they decide on Rocha's sentence.
I'm KSHB 41 reporter Lily O'Shea Becker outside the Clay County Courthouse where the final pieces of evidence in Joshua Rocha's trial were presented on Monday.
Rocha's defense called all types of witnesses to the stand on Monday. A neuropsychologist provided testimony on tests and interviews he conducted with Rocha and his family. In his testimony, he said Rocha showed indications of having a mild form of autism spectrum disorder and an IQ level just above indications of an intellectual disability. Other witnesses included Rocha's childhood neighbor, godmother, grandma, father, and brother. Their testimonies focused on family dynamics and Rocha's childhood traumas, including losing 2 siblings and his grandma in a house fire that he survived. In cross-examinations, the state said Rocha had a history of selling guns and drugs. The state provided the final piece of evidence shown in court. It was an interview between detectives and Rocha's mom. She was seen recounting the moment Rocha told her he killed Vasquez. She also told detectives her son was previously involved in a drive-by shooting prior to killing Vasquez.
Court will reconvene Tuesday morning for closing arguments. A jury will decide whether Rocha will spend life in prison or receive the death penalty. Reporting in Liberty, Lily O'Shea Becker, KSHB 41 News.